One of the really cool features about Nemo's guns is our patented recoil reduction kit. It comes standard in our OMEN and EXO platforms and is also available in a standalone kit to purchase for your own large frame ARs. As you can see here, this is not your typical bolt carrier. Typical bolt carriers are going to be flat on the back. And when they cycle, they bottom out the back of the buffer, and then they cycle forward again. Nemo's patented bolt carrier here has a secondary buffer on the back of the BCG, and the way it cycles is the two buffers are going to fight one another as this gun cycles, and at no point are both of the buffers going to be bottomed out. So you're never going to get that hard impact like you do with most rifles. The way I like to explain it is it makes shooting one of our 3-in Win mags feel like you're shooting a 308, and it makes a 308 feel like you're shooting a 223. The Engineering Journal of Impact Studies actually did a test on one of our rifles and found that our recoil reduction kit reduces felt recoil by 60%. What's really cool about this kit is you can get the best recoil technology that's used in our OMENs and EXOs for your own large frame AR.